Alright guys, right now I'm on my way to Odaiba. I'm on my way to see the fireworks. Here's the train station. Hopping on right now.
The next station is Shinkoyasu U15.
Alright guys, I just got out of the train. We're heading over there right now. I'll show you some sights in a minute. So over here we have the cool little building. I think it's called Fuji TV. Aqua City Mall is over here. Looks pretty nice so far. And it seems like they'll have some illumination event. And over here you could see the cool bridge. Yeah, we're just gonna be over here for a few minutes, and then the fireworks are supposed to start. And they have a mini statue of Liberty over here. this little spot right here by Odaiba, and by little I mean it's pretty popular. But we got this little egg and things Hawaii established. Looks pretty cool. It's eggnog with pistachio cream on top. Let's go ahead and try it. It is amazing, y'all. Really good. Okay, guys, here we got our hamburger. Freaking huge. Put it like this and wrap it. Here's how it looks again. It looks pretty good. Alright guys, here's the Christmas pancake. Looks pretty insane. Alright guys, here's the Christmas pancake. We're gonna go ahead and get started because it is a lot. Looks insane. Here, let me take another shot before I eat it all. So at the bottom it has like strawberries and blueberries and stuff. Looks good. Here, let's add some of this cream. That's good. Here it is again if you guys want to see it. Looks great, y'all.